Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. We will keep learning Chinese. And here we are. 这还学老早先的事了。这 means this. 还是 means still or also. 老 means old, and we can say old here is okay. 老先 means previous, before. The 事了 事 means thing. So this is an old thing. We can translate it like this. 是这么回事是这么回事这么 means like this. So 回事 means report back. So I told you many things, and finally I said that's it. Here this sentence means that's it. You explain something, after that 是这么回事. So that's all. That's it. 我想到你这找电视做。想到 means for here think. 你 you 这 here 找 means look for. 电视 means something. 做 means do. Make. So I think you can find something here to do. 这是重要的事。这是 this one. 重要 means important. 是 means thing. This is an important thing. 这是500年前的事了。这是 this one. 500 means 500. 年 means year. 前 means before. 是 thing. This one is 500 years before thing. 这是几十年前的事了。This one is here. It's not a question, so here G means a few. So if you indicate years before, should be here thing. So we can translate this. This is a thing that a few decades before happened. 就这么回事。So we means with this sentence same. 就这么回事。That's it. 我有事要问问你。我有事 I have something. 要 means need. 问 means ask. 你 means you. I have something to ask you. 有事你就快点吧。有事 there is something. 你就快 means hurry, quick. 一点吧 there is something important. You hurry up. 你不知我有事。知 here 知道 means no. You don't know 我有事。You don't know what I have. There is something, but you don't know it. 晚上 means evening. 他们怎么也睡不着。晚上 in the evening. 他们怎么也睡不着。Here 他们睡不着 means they can't sleep. 怎么也睡不着 means they can't sleep in any way. They tried many techniques, methods to sleep, but they can't sleep in any way. So 怎么也 here gives that meaning. 天怎么这么热？天 means the weather, 天气。怎么 how? 这么 means so, 热 means hot. So the weather, why it's so hot. 不是真的，我很高兴。Here 不是真的means somehow. 不是 means 知道 I don't know. 真的怎么的 I don't know how it happened. Means somehow. 我很高兴 高兴 means happy. I am so happy. 怎么回事 It means how the report. Actually we again translate this that's it. 怎么回事 Or what happened is better. 怎么 how 回事 means how things happen. 我看见他是怎么做的。我看见 means see. I saw 他 he is 是的 Here there is a should sentence. 怎么 how 做 means walk or live. So I saw how he is living. 我看见他是这么做的。Same sentence. 这么少了一个。少 means less. 一个 means one. There is a group of people, so we will meet 5 people, but there is 4 people, so you can ask 这么少了一个. So how is one missing? 看我怎么吃呢？看 look 我 I 怎么 how 吃 means eat 你 means you 看 how I will eat you 我真的不知道 我 means I 真的 means here 怎么 how 不知道 how don't I know 远的南方去了远 means far 南方 means south side. So there is a south place in south side, but it's far south. And 去了 I go far south. 去我想去的地方去 go a place, but which place? 地方 means place. 我想去的 go to a place which or where you like to go. 想去的我们一起去一个地方吧。我们 we 一起 means together 去go 一个 one 地方吧。一个地方 means one place. We go one place together. 真是个好地方。真是 means really good. If you see just good, just measure word, it means one. One how means good. 地方 means place. It's really a good place. 还是请您到别的地方看看吧。还是 still also 请 here means invite 您 invite you 到 means arrive 别的 means other 地方 means place 看看 means look. So also I invite you to look at different place. 到我来的地方去到 arrive 我来的地方 a place, but which place? 我来的 a place where I came from. So let's go a place where I came from. 到来的地方去 same meaning 来的也我来的 same. Here 爸爸回答Father 回答 means answer. 生日就是出生的日子。生日 means birthday. 就是 just. 出生 means born. 日子 means day. So birthday is the day you born. 出生 means born. 电池开走了。电池 means electricity. Car 开走了 means leave. 他十分生气的看着我。十分 means very. 生气 means angry. So here before the we see adjective, but it's kinda adverb here. 看着我 So he look at me very angrily. 舒先生 先生 means Mr. Shu here surname. Shu Mr. Shu 我回来了 I came back. 你好 Hello 舒先生 Mr. Shu 谢谢你 Thank you. 我这么生气这么 means so. I'm so angry. I'm very angry. 你们还笑 You hi means still. 笑 means laugh. You are still laughing. But I am very angry. 请别生我的气 Here 生气 means angry. Angry. But if you say 生我的气 means don't agree with me. Here 别 means 不要 don't. 请 means please. Please don't agree with me. For example, you can say 请别生他的气 please don't be agree with him. 是的 Yes 我生你的气 Yes I angry with you. 妈妈有些生气。My mom little 有些生气 a little angry. 您好 hello 老先生 Mr. Lau here as surname 先生 Mr. 什么时候我能什么时候 means when 我能 I can when can I here guys, in next video we will start from this sentence. I hope you can learn something from my video. If you have any opinion, you can write on comment section. See you, bye bye.